Happy Monday, everybody. It's Tim with Bevan Farm. Today I'm going to be prepping my yard to put down some seed. So I'm going to go give it one last mow. Oh, my hat fell down. Give it one last mow, get it down to a pretty good height where the grass seed won't be fighting for nutrients and stuff like that from taller grass. I'm going to get it so it can get down to the bottom of the dirt. And yeah, I'm gonna kind of clean up all the debris from some of the leaves that have come down, some of the branches, sticks, and all that stuff. So we're gonna go make it clean out there so I can put down seed and then start watering it. You might not be able to see it, but I can. The grass is now nice and low, free of all the sticks and leaves and stuff, and it is ready for me to put seed down. We had actually our first freeze last night, but it's already in the 50s today, and no freeze tonight or anything in the foreseeable future. So I think this is a perfect time to put it down, and I'll start getting it watered, and hopefully it starts to germinate quickly. We can get this all green again, and then when the spring comes I can fill it back in with Bermuda like we used to have. We used to have a really nice lawn back here, but we had a couple tough summers in a row here in Texas, and we lost it, but I think we'll get it back this year. All right, got the spreader. It is time to load it up with some seed. I'm gonna start down here kind of by the animals. There's a lot of trees down here. I keep them here so they get some shade in these hot Texas summers we have. So I'll start down here, go over it a few times, and I'm gonna be overseeding. I'm gonna put a lot, and then I will go back, kind of rough it up, try and get some dirt on top of it, and then I'll start watering. Well, the seed is down, so the only thing left to do now is water and wait. So we'll see. I don't know if you can see it, but it's all over the ground. I know I should probably cover it, but I'm not going to. I'm going to let all these leaves that are coming down get on top of it and protect it. There's lots of loose dirt too, so I think it should be fine. Anyway, let's go get the hose, and then up here I did some seeding up there. I'll turn on my irrigation, but down here I only have water in a hose. All right, here we go. Sprinklers are going. Hopefully it'll get the seeds wet and they can start germinating. Sprinklers are on, so hopefully we can get the seeds started, and hopefully we don't have any rain or anything in the meantime that'll wash it away. I want it to get established first before we get any rain. This is supposed to be really fast germinating seed, only like 7 days, so hopefully that's what it does. Got a few bare spots out there and we want to fill them all in. Anyway, you guys have a good one. Talk to you later.